cultural ties. Communication can vary within and across diverse cultures. And through this activity, we can reflect more on it. Intercultural communication involves exchanging ideas across diverse cultural backgrounds. But despite these differences, the groups are chose to recognize these differences, adopt their behaviors, and promote mutual respect through both verbal and nonverbal. However, on the other hand, intercultural communication occurs within the same cultural group, relying on shared language, conventions, and values, with both types existing on a continuum rather than in complete separate forms. So in this group, as we must observe silence as we welcome your honor and your excellence, Senor Maestro.
Senor.
So, I will be your judge for today as we will have the debate. So how will you play the game? You will choose two groups, or we already chose two groups per scenario. Each pair will be given a scenario to debate on. The sides will be determined through eye contact. Each group gets 2 minutes to prepare their arguments. The debate flow per second is first the opening statement, the revelation, the language variety. So, kung anong language ang gagawin niya, kung anong debate, assist na yun scenario, ang may iba lang doon, kung paano kayo magsasalita. Sa choice ko. A second group discussion in 1 minute for each side. The rebuttals, 1 minute rebuttals per side and 30 seconds for the defense. Bali, hindi lang kayo magde-deliver. Pagtatanggol yung pa kung ano yung sinabi niyo. At ang susunod doon, malaman natin kung sino may pinakamagandang point. Lahat kayo ay makakapipili ng panalo by the crowd's decision. At pagpunta ko sa lamesa, wait lang. Ayaw lumabas.
Mali!
Kapag ito, bawal ka nang magsalita. Kapag nagsalita ka, matik ka. Out ka na, boy. So, ang una natin, well, ang final na activity.
Mali.
Nagugulo. Di ba pa?
Ang napiling group
Yes.
ang napiling group ng desisyon ng Senado ay ang group 1 at 6.
Group 1. Ano sa tayo? Group 1 tayo.
So, group 1 and group 6, please come forward.
Next na ba? Walang front. Next na. Ano yung Toss ko yung ba muna? Pero alam ko please in front. Saya. Go na ba eh? Saan doon?
So, ang una ang mag-debate na ay intercultural case hearing. Pwede natin itong i-tulad sa nangyari dati na case na-involved sa maraming Chinese na foreigners na pupunta sa Senado at kin-question nila. Kaya ang natin ay a Chinese woman who understands English is a resource person being questioned in a Senate hearing. as the senator questioning her, you want to squeeze out the truth in her, but interculture is an obstacle for you. Would you rather first be patient and adapt the Chinese woman's comprehension limit to communicate better? At ang sunod ay, assert your dominance by changing your pursuit to let out her honest answer. So, kung para explain ko lang yung scenarios, dito, syempre, gusto mo ito, squeeze out the truth. So, kung ang way mo para mapaamin siya is by asserting your dominance, pwede mo itong piliin. Kung ikaw naman ay more on the compacting side of the ito, pwede mo itong piliin. Kasi, kunyari, hindi naman siya mapapaamin through pagiging dominant. So, mamimili tayo by politics. Ikaw, ano?
Ang gagawin.
Pili na kayo ng dalawa. Ay, pili na kayo.
Random 3 times.
So, ano ang nabili nyo?
Decision namin is assert your dominance by changing your role to let her honest answers.
So, that gives a first scenario sa group 1. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 30 seconds para i-discuss ang inyong sagot for your decision. Timer starts now. Five, four, three, two, one. Time's up. Time's up.
Time's up na po.
Sorry po.
Sorry po.
Ay,
Not coin.
yung sino mo ako
Sa headsets.
Ay, pilit sino mo na ano? Sa iyo, sino represent?
Ay, isa lang hindi siya per group.
Hindi,
Isang speaker.
Sige lang.
Pagod sa pangalawa, wala kayo.
Yung language kaya.
Yung rebuttal like sino?
Heather James.
Decide na guys.
Ito is.
Head kayo. Head sila.
It's.
Sino mauna?
The power is yours guys.
Okay, sino mauna? Natalo sila sa Heather James eh. Ilang? Okay daw.
Okay. Group 6. Be first.
Using local language.
Okay, timer starts now.
Kapag hindi kayo huminto, pag pinupo ka na, tato kayo. So, maging ano kayo, kung point out yung gusto nyo i-point out.
Straight to the point.
I-compress sa isang ano, para hindi kayo maano.
Mga
Pag lumagpas kayo sa ano, nagsalita pa kayo, mati kayo talo.
Gara na.
Grabe naman, parang ano.
1. Timer mo na.
Game? Ikaw mag-ano?
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so we choose to assert dominance by changing our tone. Kasi sometimes patients cannot always do the same. Kasi even if you wait for many hours or many days, yung hinihiring natin is may possibility na hindi talaga sasabihin. Like, she stopped, ganun, kasi based on the situation. Kaya, asserting dominance, specifically, maintains your ability na mapalabas mo yung gusto mong makuha. But, rather than that, it is saying that tone can be changed. Tapos, hindi naman in-specify sa kung ano yung dominance tone. So, hindi naman meanings na dapat harsh ka. Kasi ang tone dapat is dapat nakakapag-provide rin ng respect and yung perspective ng hinihear mo.
Next group. Ready na?
First point is that the government employed a fair investigations to all cases. In this case, Chinese one, which is presumed Alice Guo, we chose the B patients as to adaptation to Charles Dogma approach, or in similarity, in Charles Dogma approach and Lisa Montevero's approach when approach in interviewing and squeezing out information is that since it's the government's responsibility to carry out fair investigations, patients should follow. Because if nirarush natin in every point and every argument to squeeze out anything, the condemned person, which is Alice Guo, will certainly squeeze out immediate information to satisfy the condition of the questions asked by the person in dominant way.
Okay. So, bigyan ko kayo ng 30 seconds para depende sa ano yung sagot. Pero, ang variety nyo ng pagsalita ay bilang po yung tao.
Ano daw?
Ano dapat yung salita?
What are you trying to sabi?
Magaling si Kai dyan. Taga-video yan. Kai, ako ba?
Pinuna.
Answer X.
Ay, akala ko.
So, you have 30 seconds.
Sila muna.
You have 30 seconds para depende sa anong inyong answer. Go.
Okay, so kasi with patients, we think na it's not just making it haba, like making the weight so haba, right? It's not just about that. Being patient can also mean na we're trying to get to know the person to its use. We use our brains, we use our utak to get to know the tao more.
Okay? Sunod. Sunod na case. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Go.
So bro, ayun na nga, yung point lang talaga namin is, in-accentuate lang talaga namin is yung idea na yung dominance doesn't necessarily mean squeezing the information out in a short period of time. Pero, it mainly uses them for it is mainly used to apply pressure to help push the yeah. So sorry.
No. You want? You want?
Yes.
You have another 30 seconds. You want?
What you're saying is power tripping actually. Hindi naman, not necessarily squeezing them to let out their anus by asserting dominance. It's more likely to shut them down. Hindi yung magsasabi sila ng honesty. Kasi, pag ikaw ba sinisigawan ka, sa tingin mo, makakapagsalita ka pa.
Tapos, pag ganun kasi, pagka sinasabi natin na yung point nyo is trying to assert dominance lang, or like to squeeze out, hindi sa minamadali, it can also mean na you're trying to set a position, but that's not the point, because you're already in a position.
So, next.
Next na?
Oh my God, I can't go na kasi.
Ano? Mayor?
Kaya nyo bilang yung sana.
Yung sana.
Concept ko yung purchase yung sana.
Go muna ba yung oras?
Pero kasi yan, sir, hindi naman sa pagmamalaki sa pero JC naman kami nagpapahit na ng tigas namin, pre. Ang pinapakita lang namin, pre, na dapat may namumuno. Di ba? Hindi naman sa point na namumuno na pinipigan namin sila sa namumuno at the point na kami ang kumukontrol sa topic. Na gusto namin may maalpalabas na tamang sagot. Kasi, kung gusto sila magkakasya sana, kinampiyan na lang namin sila. Wala.
Tapos na.
Okay na pala. So,
Isa pa sa?
so pa. So,
Last round.
Your Honor.
Last round
Ang
sa?
inyong class variety ay formal language, so your English is your formal way. So, another 10 seconds. Go.
If your way of running a government is by being violent or asserting your dominance, why not start a dictatorship instead? Because in characteristic of government, patience is one of its virtues. Since you need patience to listen to all the issues or all the needs of your people. So if you do not have the patience, you do not have the patience, you're not fit to run your government or any, you're not fit in that matter. End it.
Kanina mo tumulog yun
So, ready.
Round 2. Last na yan, ah.
Mamaya, pag nag-cut.
Go na, be.
30 seconds. Formal. Lagi naman formal. Or English lang.
Sige, mag-formal Tagalog ka, pero diretsong Tagalog lahat.
Game. 1, 2, 3.
Sobra naman ang pagtamag din yung sa amin ng malala at maging diktador. Dahil kami ay paraan namin ng pagdidikti sa kanya ay may palabas sa mga impormasyon. Kung hindi naman, sobra naman ang sobra naman ang pagklasipika sa amin bilang diktador dahil bilang siya.
So,
Wag na! Tapos na yun, ah.
for the end of this session, The crowd will decide. The crowd will decide. So, ang base natin is palakasan ng palakpak. Alright?
Asan yung mic?
Guys, palakasan daw palakpak.
Go daw.
Ayan.
7.
1.
So, for group 1.
Okay na. Okay na.
Group 7.
Pag group 6. Alam niya na.
So, after further assessment of this, the Department of Justice, I hereby declare Group 1 as the winner of this case.
Okay, so speaking of our activities activity, we want
Thank you.